Hey guys, today I'm at the Old Calder Highway level crossing in Diggers Rest. This crossing is on the Sunbury line and thankfully not on the removal list. It is a crossing that does have an overhead signal on the other side, but you'll see that in the crossing tour. Speaking of the crossing tour, that's coming up right now, so enjoy that. Here we go. Alright, so first signal, unmarked base, safe train gate mechanism, 4 Westinghouse LEDs with the Westinghouse crossarm, a retro style, like an older version of a 2-track sign. The 2 is a bit more bold. Crossbuck with the General Signals e-bell chilling up on the top there, and then on the gate just 3 Artcraft gate lights on a wishbone gate. Alright, on this gateless, bellless signal over here we have unmarked base, a white with black writing stop on red signal sign, 4 all black Westinghouse LEDs with a Westinghouse crossarm, obviously crossbuck and 2-track sign, and pole cap on the top. Then lastly, on the overhead signalled pole, we have 4 Westinghouse LEDs with the Westinghouse crossarms, 2 Westinghouse crossarms, a General Signals e-bell with a wishbone gate and 3 Artcraft gate lights. You can't see, oh you can actually. There's a safe train gate mechanism just there. Sorry about the camera there. 2-track sign, railway crossing sign. Then on the top, 2 Westinghouse LEDs with a Westinghouse crossarm and a faded crossbuck. Quite slow there is in gates here. Alright, that's first activation. Second activation, here we go. Alright, on the other side of the crossing now. Trains coming into the station, which you are able to see on the closest track. Truck straight through a stop sign. Not even a thought of stopping. Here we go. There we go, guys, second activation. Now we see